Click on the link below to get price. The Samsung memory bundle featuring 256GB 8x32GB DDR4 PC4-19200 2400 MHz memory is an impressive offering for both gamers and professionals who demand high-performance computing. From the moment I installed this RAM into my system, I was struck by the noticeable boost in performance across all my applications. The installation process was seamless. Each of the 832GB sticks fits snugly into their slots, and I appreciated the quality of the build. Samsung has a reputation for reliability, and this bundle is no exception. The RAM sticks are designed with longevity in mind, featuring an attractive heat spreader that not only enhances aesthetics but also ensures optimal thermal performance during intense usage. As for performance, the 2400 MHz speed is impressive, particularly for those involved in resource-heavy tasks such as video editing, 3D rendering, and gaming. I noticed a significant reduction in load times for large applications and an overall smoother multitasking experience. This RAM effectively handles everything from basic tasks to demanding applications without breaking a sweat. One of the standout features of this memory bundle is its capacity. With a total of 256GB, it allows for extensive data handling, making it ideal for high-end workstations. I was able to run multiple virtual machines, engage in heavy multitasking, and even run memory-intensive applications simultaneously without experiencing any lag. Furthermore, the stability of the memory under heavy loads was commendable. I pushed my system to its limits during various stress tests, and the RAM performed consistently without any crashes or errors. Overall, the Samsung memory bundle is a powerful addition to any high-performance PC build. Its combination of capacity, speed, and reliability makes it well worth the investment for anyone looking to enhance their system's performance. Whether you're a gamer, designer, or simply someone who values efficient computing, this memory bundle is a solid choice that won't disappoint.